Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today I'm going to show you some kid-friendly diamond art projects. We're all at home doing projects, and our child or our grandchild or the neighbor's child comes over and says, "Hey, what are you doing?" You tell them diamond art. But it's your favorite piece, and you really don't want them working on your diamond art piece, because if they put the wrong color in the wrong spot, you might be a little upset. So I found some kid-friendly diamond art at Target. Super excited because I'm gonna give this to some kids and get to see my kiddos again in the neighborhood, and they're gonna have so much fun. First, we have stickers. And I did it again, guys. My lighting's not right. Give me a minute. We all know what happens. Mr. Pampered will not be happy if the lighting is off. There. Now this looks a little better. Okay. This is by Mondo Llama. Create your own diamond art. So let's see what is in it, shall we? I have not opened these. And I believe this one was $5. The kid ones are $5. And these are stickers, from what I can tell. Okay, what do we get in it? Oh, these are, oh wow. I think these are kitted up by project. Okay. They are. I need to go get more. Look, they're kitted up by project. Ice cream cone. Cool French fries. Pizza. Not sure what that is. Maybe it's another pizza, but it's the whole pizza. A taco. Look at that taco. He's super cute. I think I would put googly eyes on there. What do you think? I have some googly eyes, I think. I think I have some somewhere. But that would be really neat. And an avocado. One pen and wax. And I'm guessing this is the tray. So let's open one and check it out. This is so cool. They're already kitted up for you, so I can give each child their own project. Oh, super good stick. So that's the, and look, it says avocado. So these are the colors for the avocado. Nice. I'm actually going to the library today, and I am going to see if I can schedule something with the kids. I believe this is the tray. Super cool. They're all kitted up. So yeah, that's a taco. That one's pizza. And where was the one I wasn't sure of? Oh, that's a donut. Duh, the donut. And more googly eyes. French fries. And ice cream. So I was right with the other ones. But man, this is cool. I really like that it's already kitted up by project. Super cool. And I've got plenty of kits. So I can do a tray, wax, and pen for each child. That is not a problem. And this would be good for any age. I like it. I like it. I like it. As Crafty Chef Diamond says, I like it a lot. And here are the instructions. Way cool. I'm going to take these to the library and show them so that they can see what my intentions are, what the project is, and we'll see. Next is a little further up. So this one says 6 years and up. Probably because 5-year-olds, well, some 5-year-olds can do it. Probably just, I mean, if you have your mom supervising, any age, right? You don't want to just throw your kid out there and go, here, good luck. So you want to be able to explain to them how it's done. My grandsons do it, and they're 3 and 5. The 3-year-old, he just kind of puts them wherever. The 5-year-old does it, you know, if the symbol says 2, he does put them with the 2s. So he does, I think he's got diamond art pretty much down. Okay, I can't get this flat. Come on. There we go. All right, let's see what surprises we get in here. This is a paint by number, but it's also for ages 6 and up, and it's got 2 individual projects in there. And it looks like they're kitted up as well. I'm very impressed. Good job, Target. Good job. Okay, let's check it out. This is the unicorn. Look at that drill field. Decent. Hear how thick that is? Thick is good. Nice. And clearly labeled. Look how big those are. This would very well work out great for the kiddos. Let's see. And there is the pen. It looks like it's a regular pen tip. Yep, it is. And here's your wax. And again, I think this has got to be your tray. Nice. Oh, these are so nice. Already kitted up. I just like it. I like it a lot. Like it a lot. I'm curious though. No, you would have to use their drills. They are much bigger. The holes are much bigger, much, much bigger. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see this one. I think this one's my favorite. Love it. You hear that? Stick is really good. Very good. Yep. And this one, of course, it's going to be the same. Get the pretty colors. Clearly labeled. I like it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then B and C. Nice. Oh, and I missed this on the other one. There's the color grade right here. But you just match up the number to the color. So you don't really need that. This is number 4. So everywhere you see a 4, you're going to put this drill. So the 4s are in the rainbow. So that's where you're going to put them, right there. And in the heart. And in the face, the mouth. Nice. Nice job, Target. I like it. Come on, go in there. And then this is, you get 2 sheets of instructions. Nice. Yep, that's the tray. That's the tray. Very cool. Good job, Target. Good job. Okay, next we have for older group, I guess. Let me see if there's an age on this one. There is no age. So anybody can do it. Anybody can do it anyway. Anybody can do it. Anyone. Just use release paper so you don't get overwhelmed. That's all. If you just do a section at a time, just tackle it a little at a time. Okay, this one is looks like a birthday cake. And this is not soft, but it's nice. It has a rough texture on the back, but it's very flexible, and you don't even have to roll this backwards. Look at that. It flattens all by itself. That quick. I don't even have to roll it backwards. So here is the color grid on here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors. 12 colors. And it's Target. And it's a partial. Not sticky. Sticky. You see that stick? Good job. Oh, this is so pretty. I like it. Here's your instructions. And another color guide. And here is your boat, and it comes with a multi-placer on the end. And here are the drills. Oh, I see a pretty one, a really pretty one, a special one. Okay. Here's the first one. It looks like there's 2 bags of that one. Yep. 2 bags of the white. 2 bags of the off-white. 1 pink. Like a cross between pink and lavender. Another pink. Purple. I think these are 2 different purples. Yep, 2 different purples. 3 different purples. A red, a brown, purple, and here's our gems. Look at them. So this is F. Let's find out where F goes, shall we? Oh, where do you think they go? Where do you think in the canvas they go? Yep. In here, 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 and in these guys. Look at that. That's going to be pretty. I love it. I love it. Very nice canvas. Very nice. There is the birthday cake. Let's see if I can. Oh, yeah, that's much better. I like it. That's going to be so much fun to do. Maybe I'll save it for next year's birthday celebration. What do you think? Love My Family and I are going to be doing birthdays in March of 2026 with Diamond Painting with Friends. Go grab yours at Target. It was $15 or $17 for this. They've come out with some more, not just the sunset and Aurora Borealis painting that they've had for years. So now they have a few more. Go take a look at your local Target. Again, here's the birthday cake. There's the ones for the set of 2 for the kiddos. And then we got the stickers for the kiddos. Go check out your Target. Grab yourself some really nice diamond painting. And it's already kitted up. These 2 are anyway. This one, you will have to kit up any way that you normally kit it up. Any method. Be kind to everyone you meet.